This AI doesn't just translate, it makes you sound smart in 25 languages you ever write an email. Run it through Google Translate, and suddenly your Hi Sir becomes Dearest Emperor of the Northern Kingdom. Yeah, same. Meet the AI that doesn't just translate. It makes you sound like you actually graduated with honors in 25 languages. This isn't your average translator. It corrects tone, adds fluency, fixes cultural phrases, and even helps you impress your German client without sounding like a confused intern. The tool. It's called DeepL Write, and it's like Grammarly, but born in Switzerland, drinks espresso, and wears a suit. Here's how. It works. You paste your text, choose your target language, click improve, and boom. Your broken English turns into polished, professional prose with none of the embarrassing respected sir, madam chaos. Original. I am writing you for job and I do hard work. DeepL. I am reaching out regarding job opportunities and would love to contribute to your team. It's like your 6th grade English just went to Harvard in 3 seconds. This is gold for freelancers pitching globally, students applying abroad, businesses writing client emails, or anyone who wants to sound smarter than they really are. So, all of us. Best part, it's 100% free to use for now. There's a paid version, but even the free one is enough to make Jack jealous. So next time you want to sound global, not local, you know the tool. And hey, if this AI saves you from sounding like a confused robot, maybe hit the subscribe button. Or don't, I'll just send your email through DeepL and guilt trip you in 25 languages. Thanks for watching. Tool Crafters out.